In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Telegram with a QR code, step by step, so you can connect your desktop app in just a few moments. This is a super easy method if you already have Telegram logged in on your phone, and it's one of the fastest ways to sign in without having to type your password over and over again. I'll also show you the backup option using your phone number, just in case you need it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you download the official app first so you're using the correct version. Once Telegram opens, you should see the welcome screen. On that screen, click Start Messaging to begin the login process. Telegram will now give you a couple of ways to sign in, and the easiest option for most people is to use a QR code. If you already have Telegram logged in on your mobile phone, this is where the QR code method becomes really useful. On your desktop screen, Telegram will display a QR code that can be scanned from your phone. To do that, open Telegram on your mobile device and go to Settings. From there, tap Privacy and Security, then tap Devices. Inside the Devices section, choose Add Device. This will open your phone's camera scanner inside Telegram, and now you can point it at the QR code on your computer screen. Once the QR code is scanned successfully, Telegram will instantly log you in on the desktop app. In most cases, you won't need to enter any extra details. This makes it much faster and more convenient, especially if you use Telegram across multiple devices and want to connect your desktop securely. Now, if you don't have Telegram already logged in on your mobile phone, you can still sign in using your phone number instead. On the desktop app, choose the phone number login option, enter your country and phone number, and follow the verification steps that Telegram sends you. This is a helpful backup method if you don't have access to an already logged-in mobile session. After you're logged in, you can start using Telegram on your desktop right away. You'll have access to your chats, channels, groups and files, and everything will stay synced with your mobile account. If you ever want to add another device later, just repeat the same QR code process from the Devices menu on your phone. So, to recap, open Telegram desktop, click Start Messaging, then either scan the QR code using a logged-in mobile phone or log in with your phone number. On mobile, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Devices, then Add Device, and scan the QR code. That's all it takes. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.